So we just got like one of the most exciting packages in the mail that we've ever gotten, and that is this, the ARCDROID, which is an incredibly tiny, incredibly easy to use CNC plasma cutter robot.
Hi there, my name's Andrew Miller, founder and lead designer for 2AM Innovations, and I'm here to talk about an exciting piece of news in the world of CNC plasma cutting. The all-new ARCDROID plasma cutting robot. So, if you're like me, someone with dirt under your fingernails and far too many unfinished projects in the garage, you at some point have probably thought about how cool it would be to have an automated metal cutting system amongst your tools. You know, make your straight things straight and your round things round. But the cost and complexity of a traditional CNC table may be scaring you off. I'm here to tell you, you don't have to be afraid anymore.
It has a ton of really cool features, and it's that big, so it's highly portable.
ARCDROID is the world's first small, portable, self-contained light industrial robot designed specifically for CNC plasma. It's compact and 100% functional right out of the box. It's easily set up on just about any surface. Has no complex or time-consuming assembly, and there's no requirement for a support PC or the external software. The ARCDROID is an affordable way to up your plasma game. And with our Simple Trace function, there's no need for that CAD/CAM learning curve. Simple Trace lets you use the ARCDROID arm to follow the contours of your template, either point-to-point or freehand, and high-accuracy encoders capture everything and turn them into a cut file right away. You can then adjust settings and positions using our glove-friendly touchscreen interface, and you can even add simple shapes like holes and rectangles. Once you're done, swap in the plasma torch using our quick release head, and you'll be cutting in no time. Now, for those of you out there saying, oh wait, I have a PC, I have CAD skills, what about me? Don't worry, we've got you covered. For those wanting more control, the ARCDROID is compatible with most CAD/CAM programs like Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. Detailed cut files can be downloaded directly to the ARCDROID via USB. So whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, we've got you covered. ARCDROID is meant to be a portable, affordable, and easy way to turn your plasma cutter into a powerful shop tool. I'm Andrew Miller. Thanks for joining me for this quick look at the ARCDROID. And remember, with the ARCDROID, any table is a plasma table.
It's the only CNC plasma cutter that has this feature. You don't even need a computer to cut with this. Maybe you make a template out of cardboard like we do often. We get to be beta testers for this machine because it's going to be coming out in production around Christmas time. Until then, there's going to be an Indiegogo campaign very soon. It's going to take all of our projects to the next level of awesomeness.